Nah, bro, you're chilling. You're good.
What is up, guys? I know I look kind of sleepy, kind of modoro, my hair is all fucked up. But Brian, he's behind the camera. He'll say hi in a bit. Woke me up super early telling me, oh, can you tell my muffler? Nah, we're hooking up Brian, making his car super loud. And, well, I hope it's loud. And I know car people are gonna be like, oh, these cars need a little bit of back pressure. No, whatever, bro. This is all for shits and giggles. And we're gonna sound sick as fuck doing this. So let's go ahead, take off the muffler, and we're gonna show you guys how it sounds. Let's go. A little before and after. Ready? Yeah. And that shit sounds gay as fuck. That's why we're taking it off, alright? We're gonna take that shit off. It's gonna be sick. César. Vales verga, güey.
¿Estás grabando, da pinche mierda?
That's my boy's catalytic right there. And you see where that joint is right there in the middle? Take that shit off all the way back, and we're gonna leave that open. First, we're gonna take it off. Let's see what it sounds like. And if he likes it, we'll take it all off. And if not, then we just gotta put it back on, right? Alright, let me do this shit real quick. Damn, this is a bitch. So are you. You should have bought a dart.
Oh, bro, that shit's gonna be easy, bro. Hey, fucker.
This is what a fat guy looks laying down.
You have a hammer?
You want me to bring out the hammer?
You
want me to bring out the hammer?
This way, right? What? This way?
Wait, you pushing this way or you pushing that way?
I'm pushing that way.
Oh, I'm pulling this way.
Oh,
Yeah, bro. Hey, bro.
guys, hit
Let's
it.
just go get you a new car.
Hey, hit it.
So I picked this guy up from Home Depot. He was just trying to get a job, and he has his own tools and stuff like that. So I told him if he could help us out, give him $3. Give him $3 just for a soda and shit. All right, so we took it off. As you see, it's off. He's about to turn it off. I mean, turn it on. We're about to hear this shit. Turn on, bro. Damn!
Is that a dart? He has a dart engine.
What's up? You like that shit?
Hey, I'm loving it, dude. Fuck, let me suck your dick. Hey, lunch on me, bro.
I think this is like the worst thing, bro. Fucking clips. I fucking hate them.
They're hard to take off?
Yeah, bro. We already had to have it off. It's just that we need to take off the clips. Give me one of the wrenches, bro.
Oh, shit, you good?
I hit my head. Look.
Oh, shit,
Oh,
bro.
shit.
I'm bleeding?
Fuck.
A lot?
You good?
Am I bleeding a lot?
No, you're good.
Let me see,
Let me see, bro.
Bro, let me see.
I'm bleeding, nigga.
Bro,
Oh, fuck, dude. You
Dude.
cut yourself.
how did that happen?
That shit fell on my face.
Fuck.
Go clean it
Oh, there's another one.
Go clean it first.
Is it a lot?
Go clean it first. Oh, now it is,
Yeah.
bro. Go
Nah,
clean it,
bro.
bro.
Nah, bro, you're chilling. You're good.
This shit's so jiffy, bro.
Bro, let me see, bro. Let me see, bro. Bro, what happened?
Bro, I was fucking going like this. I took a shot. Boom!
I thought you were a mechanic, bro.
Yeah, bro. Another one. I'm sure, bro.
Let me see. Let me see, bro. Hold on.
How bad is this shit, bro? It's like a little scratch or is it like big?
Maybe like 2 stitches. It's pretty deep.
Yeah?
Low key.
It's going down your nose.
I think you might need like 2 stitches or something.
It's bad?
I gotta know, man. That whole thing fell on him, dog.
Heavy, too,
The whole
bro.
thing.
Jay!
Jay. Yeah, bro.
Look at what cars do to you. Adentro?
Adentro del car. Bro, I think you need like 2 stitches, bro.
You good, bro?
Hey, so that's what happens. Muffler's off at least. I'm gonna look dumb as fuck. A lot of car people are gonna make fun of me. It's alright, I cleaned it. It's cool. My mama cleaned it actually. Y'all saw that. But it's alright. We're learning. And that's how you learn, dude. You live and you let learn. That's what happens, bro. This shit hit.
Fuck,
That's what
dude.
cut on. Let me see. Any blood on there?
Right here, bro.
Hey.
Go, 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 go.
I was gonna be like, what the fuck did you do?
I made it loud.
All right, for sure.
I made it better.
But did you die?
I didn't die. Thank God it wasn't my fucking eye, you know?
Dang, yeah, bro.
That is Brian's car right here. Sick as fuck. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's a lot of rice. So what do you think?
Bro, honestly, dude, that shit sounds fucking bad, bro.
It sounds nice, bro, but it wasn't worth it.
I'm sorry, bro. I just can't, bro.
I know,
can't.
bro.
Zoom in on the cup, bro.
I can't, bro. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna look
Anyways, go back, go
ridiculous.
Grab it. Alright.
See you later, bro. Just for this cut, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, if you thought it was funny, if you like the blood. Doesn't look that bad though. It could have been way worse, so thank God it wasn't. And accidents happen, like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue watching my videos. Subscribe, stay tuned. I love you guys. Peace out. And stay righteous, guys.